What will you do? Remote control failure. The battery is connected. Switch and oil switch on. But remote control cannot start machine. 3 simple ways to solve the problem. The remote control is out of power. Loosen the screws and remove the cover plate. Replace the battery and reinstall the cover plate. Restart. The remote control display light is on. The remote control module light is loose. The remote control display light is on. Reconnect the remote control module light and tighten it. Restart. The machine battery does not have enough power. Prepare a multimeter for measuring electricity. Adjust to the gear 20. The positive and negative wires are connected and then measured. Observe the data. Full charge is 13. It usually comes out of the factory around 12. If the number is shown as 5 to 6 or 0, you need to charge. Reconnect the wires. Start by hand. Charge the machine battery. Finally, start with the remote control.